happening, everybody? My name is Dev. I've been a serious guitarist for over 3.5 decades. Welcome to Fretboard Fridays. This is episode 3. In episode 2, we went through the inversions of an E minor triad, starting with this position. And we went through the other two positions, or inversions, I should say. And then we get back to the original one, an octave higher. I'm going to put all those shapes over here and a card up and a link in the description in case you missed that and if you want to see it. But you're not really going to need it for today, because today we're also going to add the D major, which I'll put the charts over here, and those inversions are going to look like this. And then we're an octave higher from the original here. And what this particular video is going to be about is how I link those triads together with slides, as you saw in the intro. And what's tricky about that is that if you take a look at the fingerings here, on our first inversion, my second finger is fretting the B string. Same with the second inversion. But when I get to the third inversion, my first finger is fretting, and then we get back to the octaves. It's my second finger. So during that slide, I actually switch my fingering. And most people don't even notice it, but you have to think ahead just a tiny bit. Which shape am I going to be playing next as a guitarist? It's the same with the major triad. Once I figured out how to add this to my playing, it opened up movement in this direction on the fretboard a ton. Let me play it for you one more time. So yeah, you can add that immediately. It's going to take a little bit of practice, but I hope you dig it.